Assalamualaikum, sir. My name is Aimy from Iman. The camping trip. Lizzie and her brother Ryan went camping with their mom and dad. Ryan and dad set up the tent while Lizzie and mom collected sticks to start a bonfire. Once the tent was set up, they started a fire in the bonfire pit. Lizzie and Ryan looked for long pointy sticks to use for cooking hot dogs over the fire while the fire was heating up. They found 4 perfect sticks, one for each of them. Lizzie and Ryan and their mom and dad each placed 2 hot dogs on their sticks. They held the hot dogs over the fire and turned the sticks slowly so very side of each hot dog was cooked. Then they put the hot dogs into bun and added ketchup and mustard. The hot dogs were delicious. Bye, sir. Assalamualaikum.